Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe as this page been a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. The link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is the here and now. It's time to stay present. The past is gone. You cannot relive or take those negative energies into your future. You're not even the same person you were a day ago, a month ago, a year ago. So don't worry about the past. Worry about the present. Make every day count. Make everything every day positive. Take one step at a time to build the life that you want. So your future will bear the life that you want. Don't worry about the future. It doesn't exist. You're in total control right now of your present and what your future will turn out to be. As long as you pay attention to all the small steps, as we say on this page, the small screw on the table, once it falls out, it jeopardizes the foundation of the entire table. It can fall apart. Therefore, cherish the little things, the small victories, the small battles towards winning the war. And therefore, you'll be equipped with all your tactics coming in this new season. The future does not exist and the past is gone. I focus on the present moment. I have confidence in my life again because here and now there is no danger but opportunity. Everything happens when my soul is ready. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.